OPAD stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is Offerpad Solutions stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. Now, generally speaking, it's great to almost $3 level, and mainly like in a chart like this, in an environment like this, I'll tell you what I like to do. Now, I'm the only person in the stock trading space doing 43,000 videos. I don't think that I said this, but just so be it. You know, been in the market for 5 years, documented everything and mainly what's working and what's not. So you don't have to spend tens of thousands of dollars of your own money, courses and mentors, and then also 5 years like I did. I'm here to kind of shortcut that. This is my demand zone, and the only thing that I would care about is buying if there is like a shift. I mean, ultimately, that's all it kind of is going to come down to. And if there's not sort of a confirmation or anything, there's just no way that I'm going to look to buy, like genuinely speaking. All I will be doing here in the meantime is just, I'll keep waiting for rules to be met. And other than that, I'll obviously continue to keep you updated. So if you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, then just click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.